India has made significant strides in the healthcare industry, particularly in the field of oncology. With a growing number of international patients seeking top-notch cancer treatment at affordable costs, several hospitals in India have emerged as leaders in cancer care. In this video, we will explore the top 10 cancer hospitals in India for international patients, focusing on their expertise, specialization and cost. Apollo Proton Cancer Center, APCC, Chennai is a pioneer in healthcare in India and has a dedicated cancer institute with a multidisciplinary approach to cancer care. Offers advanced treatments such as robotic surgery, proton therapy, and precision medicine. While Apollo hospitals may be slightly higher in terms of costs compared to other hospitals, the quality of care and facilities justify the expenses. Medanta, the Medicity, Gurgaon is a renowned multidisciplinary hospital known for its expertise in cancer treatment and research. Offers personalized cancer care plans tailored to each patient's needs and preferences. Medanta offers competitive pricing for international patients seeking top-quality cancer treatment in India. Artemis Hospital, Gurgaon is a modern healthcare facility equipped with cutting-edge technology for cancer treatment. Offers specialized services in medical oncology, surgical oncology, and radiation oncology. While not the cheapest option, Artemis Hospital provides value for money with its high-quality care and personalized treatment approach. Max Healthcare, New Delhi is a leading healthcare provider known for its expertise in cancer care and research. Offers a wide range of cancer treatments including targeted therapy, CAR-T cell therapy, and stem cell transplant. Max Healthcare provides competitive pricing for international patients seeking world-class cancer treatment in India. Fortis Memorial Research Institute, Gurgaon is a state-of-the-art facility with a dedicated oncology department staffed by renowned specialists. Offers advanced cancer treatments such as CAR-T cell therapy, bone marrow transplant, and robotic surgery. While Fortis may be on the higher end in terms of costs, the quality of care and expertise available make it a worthwhile investment for international patients. HCG Cancer Center, Bangalore is renowned for its expertise in cancer treatment and research. It has a team of highly skilled oncologists and state-of-the-art facilities. Specializes in various cancer treatments including surgery, chemotherapy, and radiation therapy. The hospital offers affordable treatment options compared to Western countries, making it a popular choice for international patients. Aster Medcity, Kochi is a prestigious institution known for its expertise in cancer research and treatment. Offers comprehensive cancer care services including diagnosis, treatment, and follow-up care. Aster Medcity provides cost-effective treatment options without compromising on quality, making it a preferred choice for international patients. Nanavati Max Super Speciality Hospital, Mumbai is a leading healthcare institution known for its expertise in oncology and patient-centric care. Provides a wide range of cancer treatments including minimally invasive surgery, targeted therapy, and hormonal therapy. Nanavati Max Hospital offers cost-effective treatment options without compromising on quality, making it a popular choice for international patients. Yashoda Hospitals, Hyderabad is a state-of-the-art facility known for its expertise in cancer care and research. Offers advanced cancer treatments such as immunotherapy, targeted therapy, and precision medicine. While Yashoda hospitals may not be the most economical option, the quality of care and facilities justify the expenses for international patients. Manipal Hospitals, Bangalore is a leading healthcare provider with a strong focus on cancer care and research. Offers comprehensive cancer care services including diagnosis, treatment, and supportive care. Manipal hospitals provide cost-effective treatment options without compromising on quality, making it a preferred choice for international patients seeking cancer treatment in India. How WDI Medical Tourism helps in cancer treatment in India? WDI Medical Tourism is a leading medical tourism company that helps international patients seeking medical treatment in India. Was founded in 2010. Please visit www.wellnessdestinationindia.com for more information. Thank you for watching.